In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this sparkling material. Let's create a teapot. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. Shift-D and Enter to duplicate the mesh. With the duplicated mesh selected, let's add the wireframe modifier. 0.005 will do. Let's select the original mesh, and add a new material. I'll add the emission shader for the wireframe mesh. Please change the render engine to Eevee, and activate the bloom setting. Do you see those sparkling lights on the wireframe? There will be more lights if we increase the emission strength. Let's try changing the color. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.